Today we have an aluminum boat. We're going to be putting foam padding on the front and back decks, and then we're going to be putting all new carpet throughout. There's one can. Look how good that looks. Looks like everything's covered, so let's glue her down. I always hate doing them under the consoles. That one went pretty smooth though. But yes. Don't look at my butt. Whew. Oh, not as young as I used to be. If you're close to 40 like me, you're gonna feel this in your back the next morning. Whew. I'm gonna put carpet on the front of this console. It's a little awkward, but we'll get it. Now I'm gonna have to get a piece of carpet behind all of this. Give me a little energy for this. Well, we got our whoop, check it out.